I'm Matt Rybar with Unmanned Vehicle Technologies, bringing you today a sneak peek at the Dock 3. You see it landing here right behind me. This is one of our first launches at the demonstration site here in Fenton, Michigan. After the dock closes back up, we'll get it back open and I'll show you some of the key features about the aircraft and other different things on the docking station and the aircraft itself. The aircraft we have today is the thermal version of the aircraft, which has a wide angle camera, a zoom camera, a thermal camera, a laser rangefinder, and a near infrared spotlight. You'll see stock with the aircraft now comes a speaker as well as a spotlight combination. The aircraft is a little beefier than the previous version, the Matrice 3D series, a little bit heavier, sits a little bit taller. Has a very similar IP rating though as that aircraft for those customers that need to be deploying these docking stations in all weather environments. It's a snowy Michigan day at our demo site here in Michigan. You'll see the Dock 3 now is going to join many other docks on our platform out there, from the Dock 1 to the Dock 2 to the counter drone Omni Dock Mini. There's some key features of the Dock 3 that I would like to go over with you today. The first is how it connects to power and network. Move this video recording device down here so we can take a little peek. So the power and network come into the front side of the docking station. The power cable uses the same fitting, the LP connector that you know and love from the Dock 2. So if you're looking to swap from a Dock 2 to a Dock 3, you'll be able to keep your same cables that you have run at your deployment location. Same as for the network cable. We have a hardline Ethernet cable coming into the LAN port on the docking station itself. You'll see a PoE out cable, which this is probably one of the most exciting things as we deploy here in 2025. The DRTK3 station can be hardlined and deployed connected with the PoE connection on the docking station itself, right hardwired into the DRTK3 station. Now the DRTK3 station can be used as a repeater with the Dock 3, giving you the ability to mount your antenna at a higher location or in a different location to extend the range of your docking station. Some other key features is a more robust arm that allows the dock to power through and open in unique environments. So with the docking station closed, I'll show you some other features. There's a new slanted or sloped roof that allows that snowfall to fall directly off the dock. So for many customers who are in tougher conditions like we have up here in Michigan, colder, we have snow, that snow will absolutely be able to fall right off that roof of that docking station. When you open that device as well, it's made to be able to move itself or slide off in that opening series. On the top of the docking station, you'll see the standard weather station, very similar as the Dock 2 had, as well as the range gauge there on the top of the device. Another feature I'm very excited about is this external RTK antenna to get a dock position on the move. So if you are deploying, say, in a public safety setting where you're going to have this on the back of a trailer or the back of a command vehicle, you slide it out. You no longer have to do all the expert configuration for that location. You can now use the mobile RTK platform to deploy that without a ton of additional steps or configuration. In the commercial security sector, we're very excited for the Dock 3 and that feature, as we can put this on the back of our coveted commercial security trailers and be able to deploy without a ton of setup when that technician arrives to the site. Now this platform you see here is one that we've custom built for the Dock 3. We do have a variety of different connectivity options, whether that be hardline internet, cellular connectivity, Starlink, that we can connect up into these dock platforms to deploy into the field. While I've got you outside, I'm going to show you just a sneak peek at our demo site platform, and where just later today that docking station is actually going to be moved out to our platform and have a permanent fixture here at our site in Fenton, Michigan. So right here on our demo site platform next to Dock 1, we have a nice home that's going to have a Dock 2. But so you can have a little tour, here's our Dock 1. Released in May of 2023. It's been outside here in the weather since that time. We have several Dock 2s on our platform right now. We have the Omni Dock Mini made by Counter Drone, and then another Dock 2. Now someone might ask, why do you have so many Dock 2s on a platform? We work very closely with a variety of software partners to ensure that the products are tested and suitable for the end user. Here at UVT, we're always laser focused on making sure that we fully test and vet any solution before we roll it out to customers in the wild. So everybody, thanks for joining us today on this ReelTech video. Really excited to roll out the Dock 3 to customers across the nation. Reach out to one of our solution specialists if you'd like more information about the Dock 3. We'd love to help deploy it into a location near you. Have a great day.